Hello
Welcome
everyone
to Web
and
Genie.
welcome
In
back to my
today's video,
channel Web
we are
Genie.
going to
In today's
create an
video, we are going
amazing
to
drag and
create a
drop
beautiful
to-do list.
Angular calendar widget using Moment and Angular material. So let us, without wasting any time, let us start. So we are creating a new Angular project, ng new calendar widget. So we are creating a new Angular project, and after that I am going to the Angular project. So next I am trying to add an Angular material. So we are using Angular material for the UI here. So it might take some time to load all the packages. Angular material is successfully added. I am going to add or install Moment. This is for creating our calendar application. So we are using this package called Moment, and then we are creating or generating a component called calendar. In which why we are using Moment is because Moment is a library that helps us to manipulate and format the dates. So now let us go to the uh, calendar component TypeScript file, and inside that I am importing on init, then creating a variable called current date of the type moment, and creating a array, empty array calendar data. So we need to implement this ng on init method once you inherit the on init. Now I am adding browser animations inside my import. I'm creating other variables like selected day events, which is a type string array, and events, a variable called events, which has a date and a description of type string. Then I am creating my first method to load the load the calendar. Here I am creating some constants like start of month, start of week, and end of week, which is from the calendar date. Typo here, it should be of the type current date. So I will just update it to this dot current date, my start of month and end of month. Now I am creating a constant calendar data which is of type empty array, and I am creating a loop. If the calendar date is same or before, my current date. Then I'm creating a for loop so that this is to load the calendar. So we have to write which we have to get the days in the month. What we are trying to achieve with this method is we are allowing the user to click on a date to stimulate the creation of an event. So for that, let us create another method to get the events for each day. We are passing the date and we are getting a string array. So we are getting the events which are there for the current date. So I am creating a constant called event for date, and I am filtering the events for the current date. So I am checking if the date is the same as past. Now it will return the event for the day. By the way, if you have enjoyed watching my video, please do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell notification icon so that you will receive all of my future videos. So let us continue doing our code. So now the calendar component HTML, let us start creating it. So first I am creating a division of class container, and I am creating a h2 element of class container heading, and I am writing a header like my event container. Then I am creating a class called header, and with the there is a button click on the left side and right side of my calendar, which when I click on the previous button, the previous month calendar should be displayed. So for that, let us start writing the method previous month. So this is calculated like if the current date is it will subtract 1 month from that. And next let us write a span with current date format as month and year. So there will be a previous button arrow, then there will be a month written, then there will be a next month arrow. So this is there in our header. So next month we will create the next month method. So in the previous month we were subtracting one method, in the next month we are going to add one method. Now the header is done, we will create the body. So division class body, and then after that we are going to create a class called week, and in that we are going to create a ng4 component, and in that we are going to create a ng4 component of class day. Now in the body of the class I am going to create a method called day clicked. So we will get the date of the current day that is clicked in the calendar. So for that we are going to write a method here, day clicked, and date is passed. So from the selected day events I am going to get the current day from the get events for the day, and From there I'm printing my events, selected day events. And if the selected day events is 0, then I am going to add event. So you are going to add only one event for current day. So our application is designed to add only one event for the present day, and if you want to add another event for a separate day, that is possible. Now I am going to create my add event method. So there will be a prompt, and it will show, prompt box will display, and it shows like enter event description, and if there is description, then the event is received and it is pushed to the events array. Then the calendar will be load. So this is how our application works. So majority of our HTML and CSS code, HTML and TypeScript code are done. Now let us we wanted to print the selected event day for a for a particular day. We can display the events under our calendar, like below our calendar. So for that I am creating another division. So events for current day will be printed here in month and date format as a list. So currently only one event will be displayed for a particular day. Now let us save this, and I am going to create my CSS code here. For that, for the calendar class, I am adding some CSS styles like maximum width, padding, margin, border, and a border radius of 5 pixels, background color of white. Now for the calendar heading, I am going header. I am giving the display as flex, justify content as space between, and align items in the center. For the header buttons, the background color is green. The color will be written in this text will be written in white color. There is no border, and the border radius is 3 pixels. Padding 8 and 16 pixels. The cursor is pointer. So this is to our both the buttons in the left previous and the next buttons. So once you hover on the button, the background color will become green, a little darker green. Now for the week will be displayed in flex, and the content justify content space between. And for printing the days, the width will be calculated by dividing the space into 7, and padding of 10 pixels between the days. Text align in the center, border 1 pixel solid white, and a border radius of 3 pixels. Now I am creating a selected days events. For that I am styling it as margin top 20 pixels. And for the selected days events H3, I am giving it a color of black. And for the list, so when we are displaying the events for a particular list, the style is null, padding is 0. The margin bottom is 10 pixels and padding is 5 pixels. Background color is white. So this will be displayed after our calendar as a list. Now for the calendar heading, I am giving text align center, font size 24, margin bottom as 20 pixels, and columns are given. The color is black. The text transform is uppercase, and the border is 2 pixels. Bottom border is 2 pixels solid, and there is a padding of 10 pixels in the bottom. So now the CSS part is done. Once we run our application, this is how our calendar looks like. So there are 2 buttons, previous and next. Now when you enter the event, as I'm writing my birthday, and click on OK, it will be displayed. If you enjoyed watching my video, please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification icon so that you will receive all of my future videos. Please do like, comment and share this video with all the coding enthusiasts. See you with another exciting video soon. Till then, take care. Bye. Happy coding.